This is Duster's rear view wiper. When I got it from Amazon, it came like this, multiple pieces. So I will show you how to fix it. See, two metal stripe kind of things are there. You need to put it in this groove, this rubber one, this rubber, the wiper blade. It has two grooves. So one you need to put it in the top groove slowly. Let it go all the way down. It's okay if it comes out this side. You can just later you can adjust it. You can hold it in that way. Same way you put the other one also. Let it go on the top groove. Wiping side is this side. So I put it like this. See, it is in the groove. The other one is also in the groove. Just hold them with your two fingers. Then you need to take the second one. This is smaller one out of these three. The smallest one you can take. Then there is a groove here. It should go in that groove. See, it went. Okay, you need to put it from behind first. Adjust it. A little tricky. See, that plastic part should go in the second groove. First groove is metal. This plastic thing should go in the second groove of the wiping blade. Same way, it should go here. Metal should go down. The second groove, the plastic should go in the second groove. Okay, this part is done. See, this metal has come down. You can push it up, push it so that it will go. See, it has gone and sat here. See, the front part is done. Now take the second one. Okay, so over here, let me check. This should be the front part. Same way behind. Okay, you can fix this part first. Sorry, you need to fix the rubber part first. See how we have done the other side, the same way you need to do here also. The metal should go down and the plastic thing should be on the second groove. Okay, just thinking whether it can be on the third groove as well. No, it should be in the second groove. Now you need to lock this one. See, this part you need to just press and locked. See, now this wiper will not come out. See, I am pushing and pulling from the both sides. It is locked here. Okay, now the last part, just take this one, See this one, just you need to press. Fixed. You can see. That's it. Now this we need to fix to the back side of the duster. Thank you.